Welcome to another round of crypto terms. Today's subject is fiat currency. Wait, fiat? Like those little Italian cars? No, not quite. Fiat actually comes from Latin, and it roughly translates to "let it be done." Fiat is the form of currency that derives value from the government who issued it. So in this case, the government in question is saying, "Let this be the determined value of this currency," hence the Latin. Most modern currencies are fiat currencies, such as the dollar, the euro, and the yen. What's the alternative? In the past, currency value was often tied to a commodity such as gold, which is where the term gold standard originated in the US. As populations rose, the amount of currency in circulation needed to rise as well. The possibility of a gold standard became less feasible given the scarce nature of physical metals. As we look to the future, cryptocurrencies have presented themselves as an alternative to fiat currencies. Rather than deriving value from an issuing government, a cryptocurrency's value comes from participation in and adoption of that network. Value is also derived from scarcity, or the finite amount of a given cryptocurrency. An example of this might be Bitcoin's programmed rule of 21 million possible Bitcoin tokens. Interested in more? Check out the rest of our channel and subscribe for updates.